We even added some chutzpah for deeper flavor. Look how perfectly wobbly it is. First, put a pan of hot water in your oven and get that heating up. Take 2 cups of heavy cream.
Aren't you glad we figured this out?
Okay, we'll put this in first. Big Val is just having too much fun there. Did she pull in the chutzpah, you think? Zest that orange right into the pot. Don't go down to the white part.
I can't believe how refreshing this tastes.
We're going to infuse the flavor right on in.
By the power vested in me by the Bureau of Unwanted Bureaucracy, this location is now under temporary administrative review.
Identify your rank and frosting authority.
I outrank frosting.
Glowing label, unregistered. On medium heat, bring this up to the steaming. Cover it and let it steep off the heat for at least 15 minutes. And back over at your measuring cup, add in 4 yolks. This is our go-to dessert whenever we have leftover yolks. A teaspoon of vanilla extract and a teaspoon of Grand Marnier. It adds chutzpah to the flavor. That seems unfair.
Life often is.
Wait! If the bottle was used to activate the mixotron and the mixotron created major meringue, then the Bureau technically has jurisdiction over him. And maybe us! Oops!
Don't worry, you're not in trouble.
And just enough sugar to make it not overly sweet. Whisk those together until it turns a lemon yellow. Temper in the hot cream. That's where you drizzle in the cream while whisking constantly. It keeps the eggs from cooking into lumps. Pour it back into the pot and strain out the zest.
Aren't you glad we figured this out?
We're kind of loony like this all the time. And bake for 40 minutes. Make sure the water comes up halfway. Don't add cold water, add hot water. Sprinkle about a teaspoon of sugar over it and torch it. Look at that creme brulee wobble.
Yet. But when they return with that, the paperwork will be waiting.
Troops, we are now at war.
With villains?
With administration?